I'm Jason, founder of Sideline Media and SM Forever. Thanks so much for taking a few moments to learn about something I truly believe in. Forever, a powerful platform designed to protect and preserve your most important memories for generations to come. Whether you're looking to back up your photos, organize a lifetime of family memories, digitize old media, or create beautiful printed keepsakes, Forever does it all, securely, privately, and permanently. This next video will introduce you to everything Forever has to offer. You'll see how it works, how it's different from typical cloud storage, and why families all over the world are trusting it to safeguard their legacies. At Sideline Media and SM Forever, we're proud to partner with Forever because we believe your story deserves more than just a place to live. It deserves a home that will stand the test of time. Every frame a story, every story a legacy. Preserved with purpose, shared with love, timeless by design. Let's take a look.
Photos and videos help us remember special moments, events, and stories that make us laugh, cry, and feel loved. They deserve to be preserved, and Forever is here to help.
Forever is so much more than a photo website. It is a complete memory-keeping solution. Our sole focus is your photos, videos, and other memories, offering you peace of mind so you know where to find, share, and enjoy your memories today and for decades to come. Let me briefly highlight the primary solutions Forever offers.
Bringing your past to life starts at our state-of-the-art digitization facility. Our trained technicians treat your memories as they would their own, providing the most utmost care and precision while transforming your outdated media into modern digital files. Do you have VHS tapes collecting dust or film reels slowly deteriorating? Any slides with no projector to view them? How about envelopes of photos and negatives that need to get scanned, or a special photo that needs to be restored? We can digitize all of those and more, unlocking decades worth of treasured memories. Imagine listening to your children's young voices, reliving your wedding vows, or seeing and hearing loved ones who are no longer with you. Get the popcorn ready for memorable movie nights and slideshows. We also provide peace of mind with Forever's guaranteed permanent cloud storage, your digital home for digitized and current memories. You know how people experience the frustration of losing photos due to a hard drive crash or disorganization and endlessly scroll through their phones to find that specific picture? Imagine having an efficient system using our permanent, secure, and private cloud storage. And yes, we do have an app for that. Our permanent cloud storage is the only cloud storage that guarantees the preservation of your memories for your lifetime plus 100 years, with the goal of many generations beyond. With Forever Storage, you can upload and access your photos, videos, audio files, and documents wherever you go using any computer or mobile device. Most importantly, your files remain yours. At Forever, there is no data mining and no advertising. At Forever, we value your memories and stories and legacies and want to preserve them for generations to come. That's why when you buy Forever Storage, the majority of your money goes into the Forever Guarantee Fund, which works just like an endowment or a large investment fund. You pay once and own your storage. The next generation will have easy access without cost. Our solutions don't end there. We have beautiful, meaningful, high-quality printed photo books, cards, invites, photo gifts, wall decor, and much more. You can create and print all of these projects quickly and easily right inside your Forever account while still adding your own personal touches. We also have the world's best digital scrapbooking and design software and an online store full of digital art for those of you who desire the ultimate flexibility. If you've ever given or received a photo gift, you know they often get the biggest smiles, heartfelt thank yous, and sometimes even a few tears. A printed photo gift says, "You are important to me." Interested in family history? Whether you're a seasoned genealogist or just dipping your toes in, our full-service family research service is right for you. Discover the details and stories that molded you. Our Forever Family Research team will tailor a plan specific to your needs, starting from the beginning, or just help you get past a research brick wall.
And if any of this sounds overwhelming to you, don't worry. You don't have to do it alone. If you want, you can connect with one of our Forever Ambassadors who can provide personal guidance and inspiration.
Does a friend or family member come to mind who needs to hear these solutions? Refer a friend and you'll both be rewarded with free product credit.
Which Forever solution is the right place for you to start? I recommend starting with the one that would bring you the most joy or peace of mind. Forever and your ambassador are committed to helping you accomplish your photo goals and provide guidance every step of the way. Join us and open your Forever account today. It's time to capture more of today's moments as they become tomorrow's memories.
To receive your free 2 gig Forever demo account and a $20 off coupon, simply scan the QR code on your screen or visit sidelinemedia.net today.